There's another one for you guys. The 17 Pro Max. This is the cosmic orange color. And I got some accessories for us to unbox in a second. We'll get to that in a second. But initially I would have done this a little earlier, but they sent me the wrong one. They sent me the Pro, not the Pro Max. So yeah, I had to get it resent again. Took a couple days, but it was actually quicker than I expected. So yeah, let's get straight to this unboxing. Right off the bat, you guys can notice this is a really thin box, so don't expect a lot to come with the phone. Maybe just a cable. No stickers no more, guys. But yeah, let's get straight to the unboxing. Some ASMR for you guys. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. All right, guys, this is the orange. Jeez, the box is a little stuck. Wow. It is really orange. Oh, it's, wow. That feels better in the hand than I expected. This is actually premium. It feels pretty premium. I'm not a big fan. This little glass island in the back. But what I am a fan of is how they wrap the band around the camera. So you guys can get better 5G. Oh, they moved it. All right, that's one thing I don't like. That used to be on the side. On this side, I'm pretty sure. That's the 5G band. I don't know why they put it in the top. So right off the back, it feels amazing in the hand. It feels pretty sleek to hold. All right, let's put this to the side. So yeah, you're only gonna get, ooh, a braided cable. Braided cable. Some paperwork. No stickers, pretty sure. I mean, why would they put this around that? That's pointless, but yeah. So this is the US version. So it has the bigger battery. So it doesn't come with the SIM tray anymore. It's just straight eSIM. That's initially what it comes with. I mean, most phones is basic. Doesn't come with a lot of things, especially with Android as well, because I'm primarily an Android user. So it's going to be a little weird actually maining this phone because it's going to be hard to top this bad boy. It's amazing. But I have none against iOS. To be honest, I was a big iPhone fan back in the days, and I'm actually pretty excited to see how this phone performs. I know last year I had an overheating problem because of the titanium frame, but I know they did the aluminum, however you guys say it, wherever you're from, UK, US. But I actually like the plateau. That's what they call it. I would say camera bump, but the plateau, I like how it's initially across, so it doesn't shake at all. I mean, compared to this phone is beautiful, but look at this. That's obnoxious. I know it's a little more thicker and heavier from the last model, but additionally, yeah, it feels a little bit heavier than the Z Fold 7, but it's not bad. I actually like how it feels in the hand. It's actually a little more comfortable than the Z Fold 7 because it's a little more sharper, so it kind of digs in your hand. You can see right there a little bit. So when it comes to the iPhone, it doesn't really dig in your hand. It actually feels kind of good. All right, guys, first peel. Wow. So let's see this. So this year with the new models, they have this anti-reflective coating on the screen, kind of similar to the S25 Ultra. So I have the screen protector on this one that's the anti-reflective coating as well that you can buy with Samsung. So let's see the little difference here. So this is the screen protector you get from Samsung that's anti-reflective coating on it. And let's see the iPhone. Yeah, the Samsung screen protector is definitely doing its job. None against the iPhone. You're gonna see that in the comparison later on. I'm happy that Apple finally kind of broke out of its shell and made a crazy color. It's usually a little bit like bland. They do colorful colors as well with the phone, but it's never a pop-in color, like a flat orange. This is like a flat orange. I mean, it's a little different from how it shows in the box. I feel like this part right here, the glass, looks a little more darker here, and I prefer it here. I feel like here it's a little too poppy, but it's fine. It's not too bad. What do you guys think? Comment below. So here's a couple accessories you guys should totally check out if you just got your phone. So this is the 17 Pro Max, the clear case. I'm not a big fan of this white island kind of thing in the back. I know it's for the glass, but it's too big. I don't know. Kind of regretted getting this case a little bit. But this is an ESR case. So I've used a couple of their cases before. So I wanted to see how this looked. It's clear, but I don't know why it's showing it like a gloss. I got clear with black. And obviously, clearly, their new MagSafe charger. This is something that I'll do last. And Dbrand's Prism screen protector. I love how they put this in the bottom. Idiot-proof screen protector. So this is the first one we're going to put on first. So let's get this to the side. All right, this is Dbrand screen protector. It does come with two, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it does come with two. So if you guys mess up the first one, you got the second try. All right. So this is an idiot-proof case, what they call it. Hopefully, I get it right. And I'm not too much of an idiot. Also, guys, I'm not sponsored by none of these products. They didn't give me none of these to review about this with my own money. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure this is a dry and wet. Yes, alcohol. So first thing you want to do, take the alcohol, clean the screen. Open up this one. I'm pretty sure it's a small cloth. Yes, it is. I don't know why would they, yeah, I kind of ripped that a little bit. I don't know why they had it like that. Oh, it does say, that's actually pretty dope. It says Dbrand on it. I've never seen any company actually have it like that. So let's give it a nice little wipe. All right, I guess that's the only thing we have to do. Kind of press down a little bit here just to hold it. So it does say pull. All right, so it's like a two-paper sleeve that came out. Give it a little swipe down. Pretty sure you just pull it up. Nice. You're gonna see a little bit of air bubbles. So this is the device you use next to get all these little air bubbles out. Push to the side. There we go. This is actually pretty idiot-proof. Got it first try. Not one. Nice. All right. So let's try this case first. All right. Let's see how this case look. Oh, we got some paperwork. Yes, sir. Okay. I kind of like this one. A little more better than that one. Let's see. Ooh. I like how the corners are raised. Look at that. This case looks beautiful. I like how the Apple sign is right in the middle of the magnets. It looks nice. And for you guys, a beautiful kickstand. Look at that. You can have it this way, yeah, even that way. Yeah, this is gonna be my main case. Yeah, it looks fire. All right, let's try apples. Some more ASMR for you guys. That just flew out. All right, let's see this case. not a big fan of that giant. Kind of kills it a little bit. I do like how it feels. It's not more premium than this. This feels definitely more premium. But let's see. It just snaps on. All right. Yeah. This is a little too exposed for me because now we know that it actually scratches a little more easier because it's aluminum, not titanium. So I don't like how this is too exposed right there. And I don't like how they put the white there. Like, instead of putting white, just put it clear, I guess, or just have it empty, like how you did here. This is completely empty. You should have done it there as well. It's okay. I prefer this one better. But let's leave these two out because the next one is the MagSafe charger. So this is the MagSafe charger. Let's see if this one doesn't fly out like the last one. Oh yeah, they're pretty cheapy. All right. Wow, this is a pretty long wire. All right. This is what I wanted to check out before taking off the case is how strong is the magnets on both cases. See which one is better, which one has better magnets. All right. I mean, if I pop down a little bit, yeah, see. It's not as sturdy. All right. Let's try with this one on. I'm gonna put it to the side. Let's try with this case. I just like how this thing snaps on. I mean, it snaps on beautifully. Yeah, this is my go-to case. It looks beautiful. All right, let's see this one. All right, see the first wiggles. All right, let's see the hard. Yeah, it's a little more better than that one. Definitely has better, yeah. Maybe it's because the texture difference. Maybe that's what it is. This feels a little more cheaply made, a little more plasticky, like your fingers slide across it pretty easily. This does not. It's a little more grippier, I guess. You can see it. But yeah, this is the case. This case is staying on. I have this one. Just, yeah, I'll put it away for now. Put it to the side. So this is Anker's hybrid charger. I was waiting for this. I was saving the best for last for you guys. All right. Initially, I got this. Ooh, I like how this is packaged. Wow. It's a little heavy. Hold on. Does the whole thing come out? Yeah, this is a little rope. Hold on. That was kind of annoying. I don't know why they would do that. Literally, look, you can't even open that. That's weird. All right, so that's how you take it out. What else comes in the box? Another braided cable. What is this? Type C to Type C. Oh, I like how that black is braided. All right, and this is carrying case. Nice. Yeah, that wasn't good. All right. So initially what this is Anker's Prime Power Bank. And it comes with obviously a digital display, so it tells you when it's charging. This gives up to 65 watts charging. What I like about it is that it has the two teeth as a regular plug, so you can use this as a regular plug and have two wires. And just while it's charging itself, it's charging your phone as well. And then when you want to take it to the go, it collapses back in. Now it's a regular portable battery bank. And this is also a 9,600 milliamp hour battery in this bad boy. So you know I had to get this because I'm taking this bad boy out to the test. I mean, gaming camera, see if that vapor chamber is actually gonna make a difference from last year's model. I know the frame is because it doesn't condense as much heat. So I'm gonna be testing that. And you know I'm gonna be putting against Oh Reliable right here. So subscribe to the channel to see that upcoming video. But yeah, guys, out of all these accessories, which one do you think you would get? Is it the case, the ESR case, or MagSafe? I'm not a fan of this. I say primarily this bad boy right here is what I really wanted to review, because I'm gonna take this to the craziest camera comparison versus the Fold and maybe the Flip as well, just to throw it in there for shits and giggles. But yeah, put the 65-watt charging to the test. So yeah, guys, this is my initial first impression and some accessories I think you guys should get for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is probably not one of them. I just don't like, it takes too much of the space, guys. But yeah, see you in my next video. Hopefully he's gonna be comparing these two bad boys against each other. And maybe the Flip as well. But till then, catch you in my next video, guys. Peace out.